First thing to understand is what is a kit lens. A kit lens is a very basic lens. Most likely you will get these lenses as part of your camera body, meaning when you buy the body, most of the times the lenses that come with it, if the lens is included, will be a kit lens. And most likely they start from f3.5 and they might go to f20, f22. That will be the focal length they can cover. These kit lenses can come in different variations of your zoom length. So this one we are looking at is 18 to 55 mm, versus sometimes they can be more than that. I have seen some go up to 300 mm as well. So definitely you can get these in different ranges. Again, one of the advantage here is the cost is really cheap. So even if you're trying to buy these lenses separately, you will get them very cheaply. Now for somebody who is new to the photography and is trying to just learn the basics, this is really a good lens. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.